Hi, this Getting Started project will introduce you to the basics, ask you to apply what you've learned, and help you begin creating your own videos right away. First, we'll make a recording by clicking this red button in the main interface. And in the recorder, even though there's lots of options here, we'll just choose full screen and microphone audio by making sure these two buttons are green. Later, you can learn much more about recording by right-clicking on the recorder and choosing Recorder Tutorials. But for now, when you're ready to start, click Record. Camtasia will minimize, and you'll get a countdown. When that's complete, you can start your demo, explanation, or whatever with narration. Camtasia will record it all. When you're done, click the red icon in the menu bar and choose Stop Recording. Camtasia will place your recording in the media bin over here with the other video, audio, and images in your project. I'll show you how to add it to your video later. In the future, when you start with your own project, the first recording will also be added straight to the area here called the timeline. All right, it's your turn. Go ahead and click this button to pause the video and make a simple recording. When you're done, click play to start this video again. If you need to review part of the project or you end up in the wrong spot after making an edit, use the playhead, that's this triangle with a line, to scrub through the video and find the right spot. Look for the visual cues that mark each section. Don't worry about messing up this project. You can always restore it by going to Help, Getting Started Project. Okay, now would also be a good time to save your project, however you started it. At this point, even without editing, your video might be good enough to share with others. To do this, you go up to the Share menu and select your preferred output. Let's choose Export, which will give you an MP4 video file. This is great for viewing on most any device. Give your video a name and choose Export. Camtasia will export it, then give you a button to view it in Finder, where you can open it by double-clicking. This particular project might take a few minutes to export, so we'll hold off on trying that out now. As I mentioned, you could stop here and have a complete video. However, Camtasia also provides you with a fully featured editor to help you improve your screencasts. Let's go through some of the basics of editing that will help you clean up your recording and zoom into parts that are most important. There are several ways to remove mistakes from a recording or any media in a project. We'll cover two of them here. Let's start with trimming the edges of media, since that's simplest. On the timeline, where you'll arrange your clips and do most of the editing in your video, just mouse over the edge of a clip and notice how the cursor changes to an arrow, and then click and drag. You can also use this technique to resize the length of a media, including annotations. Your turn. Hit pause and use trimming to remove this cough from the recording. Click play when you're ready to continue. If you've trimmed that cough out, you'll notice it left a blank spot in the video. So I'll show you another way to remove a segment of media that closes the gap. Just place your cursor right before the part you want to remove, hold the Shift key, then click and drag to make a selection. You can also drag up or down to include clips on multiple tracks. After you let go, you can also adjust the edges of the selection. Then, right-click and choose Ripple Delete Range to have everything to the right on those tracks shift in to fill the gap. Click pause and try it for yourself by removing the two ums in this section. Click play again when you've done that. You can find more tutorials about working and editing on the timeline by right-clicking in an empty spot and choosing Timeline Tutorials. Now, earlier, I mentioned that you could add your recordings, as well as audio and images, to your screencast. You can do this by going to the media bin and dragging the item to the canvas, which is this big section here where you're previewing this Getting Started project. Or you can drag it to the timeline. In this case, drag the Audio Great clip to the timeline here. Pause the video until you've done that. Finally, let me show you how to make details, like text, more crisp and legible by using zoom animations. Let's take this area for example. If I'm talking about it in my screencast, I should zoom in there so the viewers can read the text, and so everything else currently showing doesn't distract them from what's important. To add a zoom animation, go to the Animations tab and drag the Zoom In animation to the recording you want to zoom in on. It will be represented by an arrow on the media clip. Then, in the canvas, drag your video until the correct area is showing. You can also change when the animation starts or ends and how long it lasts by dragging the middle or the dots at each end of the arrow. Click pause now and zoom in on this part of the screen for me. Then click play again. Excellent. Now pause and drag the zoom out animation to some place later in the clip to see what that does. Notice how it scaled the video to fit everything in the canvas? That's great for giving viewers a larger context. All right, after you practice the basics, be sure to check out the tutorial viewer to learn even more. Go to the Help menu and choose Tutorial Viewer. Take a bit of time to explore the different videos, articles, and the Camtasia course. These will be invaluable in helping you create excellent videos that communicate and teach. Now try creating your own project. To start, go here to the File menu and choose New Project. Thanks, and happy screencasting!
Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and I'm going to be playing some Minecraft.
And Jordan.
And Jordan. Say hi, Jordan.
Hi.
Alright, so we're going to be playing Build Battle today. Alright? Alright, so let's join the server. Let's get started. Okay, so we're on Hypixel right now. And so yeah, let's get started. Build Battle. So this is my first video on Minecraft, so...
And it's a test.
And it's a test, so this is...
Bear with us.
Bear with us. Oh, is that Cupquake? No, wait, that's not Cupquake. You suck. Alright, so...
Language.
Coach. Alright, so I guess I'm going to build a baseball coach. Should I do that?
Sure, go for it.
Okay, so let's get some that.
But let's be quick because we got to see if this works.
Yeah. Let's see if this recording will work, and if it doesn't work, then I don't like this recording. Alright. Okay, so wait, gotta get one more thing.
Also, is there a camera on this thing?
Yeah, there's a camera.
And there's a microphone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so let's build the feed.
What are you doing?
I'm building
What are you building?
a coach.
And what is that?
It's a feed.
So you're gonna narrate. You gotta explain why you're doing it and when and what purpose.
So the purpose, y'all, I think y'all know what Minecraft is, but
I don't. So
yeah.
you gotta. Your audience is people who don't know what's going on.
Okay, so basically what's going on is that I'm going to be building a coach right now, but later I'm probably going to be doing another recording. And so, like, if you don't know what Minecraft is, it's like a really popular game that's like, it really doesn't have that much point, but once you play it, you're gonna have fun with it.
You gotta sell it though. You gotta sell it. Why
Okay.
would I want to play this?
'Cause it's awesome. Okay?
Well, explain. Tell me. Give me reasons. What makes it awesome?
The features. I don't know.
We're gonna work on this.
Okay. Yeah.
So like when you're narrating something, you have to like just give them a reason. Like you gotta sell it. Like you're almost like a salesperson. You want to be like, this is the most amazing thing because of this. Because look what I'm doing. Like you can't do this on any other game. It is just crazy.
I think my fans can hear you.
That's fine. You know, that's what I'm saying. Like I'm helping you out here. This is you when you start
my
narrating
mouse.
videos.
My mouse is going crazy. Wait, let me fix it. Alright, I'm back. My mouse is having some difficulties.
You have to think of ways to describe what you're doing.
No, still having difficulties.
So right now you're building a box around a green box.
No, I'm building a head.
A head?
Yes.
What kind of head?
It's a
What is it
person.
for? Is it a person?
It's a person, yes.
Tell me about this person.
So this person is a coach.
He's a coach?
He's a baseball coach.
A baseball coach?
That's why he has a number 5 on him.
How do you know how to build a baseball coach?
It's just it's a coach, really.
And he coaches baseball.
Yes.
What's his name?
John.
John. John what?
John Michael.
John Michael.
I'm
Those are
guessing.
the 2 most basic guy names ever.
Yeah.
How about like
John
Hampton Sampson?
It's like the weirdest name ever.
Yeah, but it's YouTube, so we gotta be weird and different, right? John Michael is literally like Arrested Development.
It's the simplest thing I could come up with.
But
Can
you
you
can-
tell?
Gotta be different. We're striving to be different.
Woo, different. I am different.
Let's see what he looks like. Final product. Woo! Look at that.
Okay, it's not technically the final.
Well, almost.
I've got to do the arms and the eyes. Okay, let's put the arm. Let's put the sleeve there. Get the
There's sleeves on the other side.
do. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, perfect.
All right, wait. Is this the front? No, that's the back.
Does he have eyes?
All right, here. All right, so let me put the eyes on. So you gotta do the custom skulls. Gotta go to color. Gotta go to black. Wait,
Yes.
let me get some white.
So when you start doing these things, you describe every single thing that you're doing.
Boom.
As
It's
you're-
gonna look so dirty.
As you're doing it, you're giving a tutorial. You're teaching people how to do this. You have to think your audience someone who doesn't know what's happening.
Look how derpy he looks. No, I don't like that. The eyes are no.
His eyes are very far apart.
Yeah. All right, let's do them right there and right
So
there.
like even like with the keys you're pressing, like that's how you describe it. That's how you give a tutorial. You know you're pressing
Boom.
W. I don't even know what you're pressing. WE.
Yeah.
You have to describe everything you're doing. That's how you do a tutorial.
Okay. Wait, I'm almost. I just gotta do that, and I gotta put the bat in his hand.
15 seconds.
Uh,
15 seconds.
no,
10,
no.
9.
8, 7. No. Okay. Wait. Ah.
What are you even building? I thought you
Bam!
were just
It's a
like,
bat.
Oh, a bat. I love it. Nice.
Oh wait, that no, this is the wrong one.
It's good.
It's
It's
so
fine. It's fine.
Okay, so what
Okay.
is this? He's
So-
watching TV. That's not a coach. That's a poop. A super poop.
Do they know that you're building a coach? Like, who knows this?
It says it.
Okay.
Super poop. This is not a coach.
So who's voting on this? Tell me
Me.
about that.
Everybody's voting,
Who?
really.
Who are these people?
Like, I don't know.
Random people, or
Yeah.
just like people? Do you know these people?
No. It's online. It's an online server. Oh, this is mine. Oh, it's the wrong way. This is mine.
Yeah.
It's
That's
a
good.
super poop. Look at the pipe. It looks so bad.
So
Alright,
what-
you want to end the video so we can see?
Yeah. So maybe exit out of
Okay.
that,
Disconnect.
and
Alright.
then I think
Cancel.
what you're supposed to
Quit.
do
Alright.
is
So-
go to this and stop recording.
Alright, stop.